See, chromatic dominant is something that you get from using the tritone. If you take a 1-6-2-5 progression, C, A minor, D minor, G7. So what happens is, since you already know that the 1, 3, and 6 chord is all C, go to the 3 chord. Excuse me. So you have the 3 chord instead of C, you have E minor, and then you go to the 6 chord, A minor, and then the 2 chord, D minor, to the 5 chord, G. So you get, oh, you get this instead of, so you're starting from the, so then you look at that and say, okay, change that E minor to E dominant. Okay, so that's what you do. You're taking the 3 chord and changing it to dominant. If you change the 2, 3, or the 6 chord to dominant, it's called a secondary dominant. So anyway, so now you've got E7 dominant in place of C major 7th by that transition. So now you go to A minor 7, the 2nd chord, the 6th chord. So if you look at that chord, change that to A7, A dominant instead of A minor. So now you have E7 in place of C, A7 in place of A minor 7. Now for the D minor 7, the 2 chord, change that to D dominant 7. And then go to the 5 chord. So now you have, okay, so all dominant chords, E, A, D, G, all dominant. So now if you look at the tritone sub for A dominant, it's E flat. Okay, so that's right below E7 where we just were. So E flat 7 is the tritone sub for A7. So if you look at G7, the tritone sub for that is D flat 7. So what that gives you is, instead of E7, A7, D7, G7, use the tritone sub for A and G, you get E7, E flat 7, D7, D flat 7. So literally, instead of, you get, so that's more or less kind of how I approach it.